learners, welcome to the online class on the topic Data Structure and Algorithms. I am Mrs.R.Usha Devi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Nirmala College for Women, Coimbatore. Today we are going to discuss on the topic Introduction to Stack, Operations of Stack and Examples of Stack. Stacks. A stack is an ordered list of elements with a restriction that the elements are added or deleted from only one end of the list. That end is termed as the top of the stack. Here we can see the collection of books arranged one above the other. Let us consider three elements A, B, C, and the C is called as the top of the stack. In this bundle of books, the topmost book, which is in pink color, is called as the top of the stack. The bottom of the bundle is called as the bottom of the stack. A stack in which the elements are inactive are called as the bottom of the stack. Now let us see the examples of stack. The things whichever is arranged one above the other can be considered as an example of stack. In day-to-day example, we have lot of things to be considered for the examples of stack. Few things that are available in the stacks are the bundle of books, the pile of coins, the cookies arranged one above the other, and the plates arranged one above the other. These are the few examples of stack from our day-to-day life. Now let us consider the ordered list of elements as stack. Let us arrange the elements in the stack here. Consider three elements A, B and C. First A will be inserted, then B will be inserted, and then finally C will be inserted. Now A is called as the bottom of the stack and C is called as the top of the stack. Again, if you want to insert a fourth element named D, you can add the fourth element D in the stack, and D is called as the top of the stack, and C is no more called as the top of the stack. So this is how a stack will be ordered. Stack operations. There are two main operations in stack. They are push and pop. Push is nothing but insertion or addition. That is, you are going to insert or add a new element. And pop is deleting or removing an element from the existing list, which you may consider as unwanted. Stack implementation. Before the stack operations, we need to know about the stack implementation. The common method of implementing the stacks is to make use of another fundamental data structure through arrays. Now, the following example will illustrate an array-based implementation of stacks. Here, we have four elements R, S, V and G. Now, let us insert it into the stack. The stack will be partitioned as four different blocks, and the elements are inserted one after the other, like this. R, S, V and G. This is called as a stack. Implementation of push and pop operations. Let the stack 1:n be an array. Top will be initialized to 0. Item in the element is pushed to the stack, and n is the maximum capacity of the stack. Next, implementation of push operation. The algorithm will be, you can see the algorithm here. The procedure for the push will be, you will consider the four parameters here. stack n top and item. If top is equal to n, then stack will be full. Else top is equal to top plus 1, stack of top is equal to item, and you will end up the algorithm. Next, implementation of pop operation. The algorithm will be procedure pop, stack, top and item. Here the parameter will be only 3 parameters. N will not be considered for the pop operation. If top is equal to 0, then stack empty, else item is equal to stack of top. Top, here you need to delete an element in the pop operation, so you are going to decrement the value here. So this is how an algorithm will be structured for the pop operation. Next, you can have a few examples here. So now I am going to insert a stack device 1:3. So here you can have different devices like pen, plotter, joystick and printer. So now I am going to push an element or an argument pen into this device 1:3. So let us see how it is going to be inserted into this stack. So I will first make a structure of the stack. So 1, 2 and 3. Now I am going to name the array as 1, 2 and 3. Now I need to insert a device or an element called pen here. So first, stack before operation, the stack will be empty, that is the array will be empty here. Next, I need to have the algorithm invocation. So push device, 3, 0, pen. Next, stack after operation. Let us see how it is inserted. So here you will have 3 different space and pen will be inserted into the first element. Since it is inserted as a first element, it is obviously called as the bottom of the stack. Next, push pen successful. So this is a remark that we have got for this. Thank you for watching. Happy learning.